Hey, what's up guys, welcome back. Well, after months we are back with a new unboxing video, and what we have here is the OPPO Reno5. OPPO has officially launched this device in the local market. There are actually two devices under this series. So there's the Reno5 that we have here, and then there's the Reno5F that we will be looking at in the coming weeks. The standard Reno5F goes for 31,999, which is basically some 32,000 Kenyan shillings. Then the Reno5, which is what we have here, goes for 41,999. Again, that's 42,000 Kenyan shillings. Yeah. So let's go ahead and unbox the Reno5. Yes. So as you can see, there's a small packaging here containing the SIM ejector pin. There's some user manuals here and a transparent case. Then we have the OPPO Reno itself here. There you go. It's pretty good and very light as well. Gonna put that aside and see what we have further in the box. There's a 50 watts charging brick here. Then a USB Type-C. Then lastly we have a pair of earphones or earbuds. So that's basically what you have in this packaging, the OPPO Reno5. So that was basically it. That's what you get in the box. Now let's look at this device. I've managed to set it up offline. So let's see. So this one is really thin and light, as you can see. Yeah, probably the same size and the same thinness we saw with the OPPO Reno4. I like this design, and OPPO is calling it the Reno Glow. It looks pretty cool. Remember, this phone comes in two colors. So we have the Astro Blue and the fantastic silver, which is what we have here as our reviewing, which is what we're unboxing here. There you go. This camera setup at the back comprises of a 64 megapixels main camera. Then we're getting another 8 megapixels, 2 megapixels, and another 2 megapixels cameras right here. We're going to be highlighting all these details in the description section below. There you go. OPPO has highlighted the actually 64 megapixel AI dual camera they're going to be putting into heavy use in the coming weeks. There's some OPPO branding right there at the bottom. Yeah, right here the display is 6.4 full HD display, and remember, as I mentioned, all the things we are seeing on this device is the 90 Hz refresh rate. There's also the fingerprint scanner right here. Pretty fast if you ask me, as you can see. Let's try that again. Yeah, that is. You're also getting a 44 megapixels selfie camera right there. Okay. Then at the bottom we have the headphone jack, the speaker grill, a microphone, and a Type-C charging port. Yep. The bottom here, there's nothing really here, it's completely empty. Then on the right side we have the power button on its own. pretty visible. Yeah. Then on the left side, OPPO decided to place, the dual SIM and micro SD, slot right here. I'm sure you can see that. Then just below them is where you have the volume buttons. Yeah, that's basically it for the features, of this phone. Now let's see what we're getting under this phone. Let's see. Yes, there you go. So it's ColorOS, version 11.1. Of course, it runs on Android 11. Yeah, you're getting a Snapdragon 720G. Then some 8 gigs of RAM, which will be enough for you. Then some 128 gigs of internal storage. Yeah, they are all listed here as well. So you're going to be interacting with this phone in the coming weeks, sharing our review, sharing all the details we might need to know about this phone. Yeah, remember, as we said, it's available for 42,000 Kenyan shillings. So you can grab one, Remember as well, we're also waiting for the other Reno, that is the Reno 5F, that OPPO is selling at 31,999. So yes, that's it for this unboxing video. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to share and subscribe.